In this video, I will be showing you how to generate a random number with this custom menu here in Google Sheets. In previous videos, we've already created custom menus. In this video, we're going to create that custom menu again with the help of Chat GPT to generate a random number with your own specifics. Let's say we want a random number generated between the numbers 1 and 1000. So you can create that prompt with Chat GPT. Let's go ahead and do that. I have mine right here. So I've already created my prompt. It says create an app script for Google Sheets that will generate a random number from 1 to 1000 that will be placed in cell A1 with a custom menu that we can just click to create that random number. And once you've pressed enter, it will give you the step-by-step on how you can copy and paste and create that custom menu with the JavaScript that it has created. So once you've copied that, there we go. Go back to your spreadsheet, go to your extensions, and click on App Script. That will open in another tab. Here we have it. Now when entering or starting your function, you're just going to have to delete everything, then paste the function or the app script that ChatGPT has already created for you. Click on save right here. Once that's saved, you can go to run. Now we have to review the permissions. Once that's done, there you have it. The execution has started and has been completed. If we go back to our spreadsheet, you will notice that we now have a custom menu right next to our help. If we click on it, there it will say generate random number. If we click on this, it's going to run the script, and here we have that random number generated in this cell right here. So in the specifics, again, I've mentioned that I want that random number to be located in cell A1, which is right here. Then what I did is to just pre-format this before we create that number. So I have this in the font size of 100, in a different font style. I can even change the color if I wanted to, but this is just an example, and you can of course do whatever you want with the format. And there you have it. If we try and click this again, it will generate another random number in between those specifics. If you want to generate more than just one number, of course you can change that with your prompt. Just go back to ChatGPT. There we have it. You can either edit this message right here or create a new one. Let's say you're asking for 2 random numbers. What about 2 random numbers that will fill cells A1 and A2? Press enter. It will now update the app script. Just copy it. Go back to your app script. Delete everything. Paste. Save again. Then run. Execution has been started and completed. If we go back, this time if we click on random generator, it will have an update that will say generate 2 random numbers. If we click on it, there you have it. We have 2 numbers generated right here. We have in A1 and in A2. If I just copy the format to this one, there we have it. Now we have 2 random numbers generated with the help of that custom menu created with Chat GPT. So that's how you can generate random numbers with a custom menu right here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.